Subscribe to see more videos from my end and click on that bell to get live notification. Hi guys, good afternoon. It is 1:30 approximately and we're heading for shopping again. Now my brother-in-law has already gone down. He said he'll take the car and I don't know exactly which place we're going. That is a little confusing for me also. Where we are going exactly. Today I have not put makeup. A lot of people ask me like what I put on my face that it's glowing. It's oil and a tint, color tint. So that is what is my makeup these days. I don't put makeup until it is a shoot or is it something related to YouTube shoot or something related to something like that. Otherwise normally I am not applying anything. It's only oil and color tint. So right now I am down the society walking towards the car and there's one boutique which we are going for my outfit. I did pick up 2 gowns. I was very satisfied with one. Second one is good. I feel if I get something better, why not? Give it a try. So going for that only. Plus I need to pick up 2 hoodies. I needed to pick up boots. I needed to pick up a fur handbag. So a lot of things I need to pick up. That is my brother-in-law inside the car. Yeah. So you get to meet my Santa.
Hi.
Who fulfills all my needs. Like if I need anything, he gets and come for me. And Mumbai is hot. Yeah, I don't know what is wrong with the Mumbai climate, but it's actually very hot. So now we are waiting for the rest to come down. Okay, my sister-in-law has come down. My her kiddos has come down. Everyone has come down, and we are heading now to the boutique. Even she has not put makeup today. Only that oil, and she's given the base of the oil. Skin is looking very clear and fair. Now we are going to the boutique. Let's see if we get anything from there. देखते हैं कुछ मिलता है कि नहीं मिलता. Finally picked the outfit which I wanted for the Delhi event. Seriously.
मेरे वजह से with my help.
बस थम्बो एरिंग डिंपल इधर
वो तो है. हाँ. अरे बस से अभी क्या लेना है. बोला ना रोनी कच्चा खा जाएगा. वो तो क्या फालतू का खर्चा कर रही है. कल भी 10,000 उड़ाया, अभी भी 10,000 उड़ाना तेरे को.
बैग का शॉप है, जाना है क्या?
कहाँ पे? We are going to the mall, no? I want to the Guys, we picked up the hookah, cold flavor from that place. We could not shoot there. Now we are heading to a factory outlet जिसमें Levi's और कौन सी कंपनी है?
Adidas, Nike, Skechers.
Yeah, Levi's, Adidas, Nike,
Pantaloons.
Skechers, Pantaloon. तो वहाँ जा रहे हैं and my husband is so proud that his wife is so beautiful. And he is smiling. क्योंकि जब मैं और my brother-in-law will go now, we'll do some card and come back. He said you can't wear Indian. हम इंडियन ही लेकर आए. हमको वही पहनना है.
रेड कार्पेट
रेड कार्पेट में इंडियन ही पहनेंगे एग्जैक्टली. ओके, सो द आउटफिट इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. ओके, बहुत अमेजिंग आउटफिट है. मैं सोच रही हूँ दिल्ली इवेंट में इंडियन ही पहनूँ अभी.
काइंड ऑफ मैंगो कलर.
एग्जैक्टली, बहुत ज़बरदस्त कलर है. इट इज़ नॉट प्योर येलो, इट्स नॉट प्योर गोल्ड. इट्स एन अमेजिंग कलर. सो या, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं तो पहनने वाली हूँ वही. एंड वी आर हेडिंग नाउ टू द फैक्ट्री आउटलेट टू डू सम शॉपिंग. Let's see what all we get for him,
for hubby,
for husband. You know, थोड़ा मस्का लगाना पड़ता है ना, थोड़ा बटरिंग लगाए. उसको भी 4-5 चीजें मिला तो
और एक ले सकते हैं.
तो मैं और 2-3 चीजें ले सकती हूँ. Right? You know, he is not satisfied. He's not got his stuff yet. So basically, you should take him to a place where he'll get 4-5 of his stuff. And then he said, यार मैंने भी खुद के ऊपर खर्चा किया, तो बीबी का तो हक बनता है और थोड़ा खर्चा करने के लिए. That's how it works. Take tips from me, okay? And whenever you're going for shopping, don't take your husband and go. Take your husband's brother and go. You know, क्योंकि फिर क्या होता है पता है, वो कुछ बोल नहीं सकता. हमें पसंद है, वो थोड़ा बोलेगा क्या करोगे लेके, एक्सपेंसिव है, इंडियन है, क्या पहनोगे, फिर थोड़ा बटरिंग मस्का लगा सकते हैं. फिर बेसिकली दैट इज हाउ इट वर्क्स. If you bring him and come, no. He will say no, he'll get out of the shop. But now he can't say no on the phone. How much no he'll say? 2 बार कॉल करके नो बोला, फिर तीसरा बार तो मनाना पड़ता है ना. फोटो खींच के भेजा, देखो कितनी सुंदर लग रही हो. राइट नो हस्बैंड, से राइट नो.
अभी शूज लेने के बाद रेड बोल.
लुक एट दिस फेस. 12 बजा हुआ. मुंबई का नज़ारा देखो. क्लाइमेट थोड़ा बेटर हो चुका है. सी डोंट माइंड द नॉइजेस बिहाइंड बिकॉज आई एम नॉट हैंडलिंग वन. वी हैव टू हैंडल 2 kids नाउ. So now we are heading and climate is looking better. We have come to the outlets. ये Levi's outlets है, Pantaloons है. वहाँ पे पता नहीं कौन सा आउटलेट है. दिस इज एक और आउटलेट है क्या? यही है आउटलेट. एंड दैट्स इट ना. सो दिस इज बेसिकली द फैक्ट्री आउटलेट्स. फैक्ट्री आउटलेट्स you get it for a lesser rate. Let's go and see how it is. We have entered into Pantaloons, me and my sister-in-law. हम दोनों शॉपिंग करने वाले हैं. And the men's have gone to Levi's showroom. Let me see what I can get. I want to see something like this for office. Let me see if I like anything like jumpsuit, something like that. Let's see if I like something. I'll definitely wear and show you. Didn't pick up anything else. There's these 2 outfits and one nice chain, gold wala. I just come to pay the bill. After this, let's see where we can go for shopping. I'm very fussy on clothes. I'm not liking anything easily this time. I don't know why. Not getting what I want. Yeah. Guys, first time vegetable market. I'm going to do vegetable shopping. Actually tomorrow we are out the whole day for shopping, so we thought we are going to leave the kids with my mother-in-law. Okay, so I thought why not do some shopping for the house so the kids will get to eat something. Let me show you how the market looks over here for vegetables. Overcrowded.
रुक जा
Mummy is picking up Loki. This is how I'm doing shopping.
दो ले लो 15 रुपए दो 5 रुपए कम दे दो 30 का है अगर कितना दो 15 पाव
They picked up the cucumber.
आधा किलो बनाना इसका आधा किलो 1 किलो ले लो 50 रुपए गोल्डन बनाना
I'm seeing so पतला वाला बैंगन. इतना पतला वाला. Now we are taking piece. Oh, that's curry patta. What all you taking? My sister-in-law is expert. मैं अपने नौकरानी को भेजती हूँ लिस्ट बना के. Supermarket. Oh, I sent my maid to buy and come. For me, it's something new experience to come like this markets to buy something. Amla, good for skin, good for hair.
कितना कैसा है ये?
Now they're taking kacha kela, raw banana. The reason is my sister-in-law wants to give the feel of the beach. She wants to make pakoda out of it. Still on. I'm just enjoying the amla. Rest I don't know. But nice entertainment is. I love shopping. Vegetable shopping or fruit shopping or all the shoppings I love. मैं कभी ऐसे मार्केट में नहीं आई हूँ शॉपिंग के लिए.
अंगूर है यार, अंगूर वाला जामुन. अंगूर है.
You know, get apple, get grapes. और क्या है?
काय सांगू? हे सांगू की
ये वाले.
ये वाले? ये दो कैसा है?
ये 40 रुपए पाव
पाव किलो दो. पाव किलो दो. छोटा बनाना घेऊया.
They have strawberry. देख अच्छा है क्या? नहीं ना? Grapes fine. Good shopping.
इथो पाणीपुरी. ओ यार.
What are you doing? Show.
रगड़ा पेटिस
Show ना. Show your plate. अरे show your plate.
मीठा लागू खाली मीठा
खाली मीठा दे.